Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new Motorola Edge 70, one of the thinnest smartphones ever, and honestly, it's turning a lot of heads. Motorola's aiming straight at Samsung and Google with this one, so let's see if this ultra slim beauty actually delivers more than just looks. Right out of the box, the Edge 70 feels ridiculously sleek. We're talking around 6 millimeters thin, yet it still packs a solid build. The frame has that matte aluminum finish, and the back features Motorola's signature Pantone certified colors. It just screams premium. Up front, you get a 6.67-inch P-OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and crazy good brightness outdoors. Whether you're streaming Netflix or gaming, it's buttery smooth. Under the hood, it's running the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. It's not quite flagship level like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but it's plenty powerful for daily use, multitasking, and gaming. Plus, Motorola's clean MyUX skin keeps things super snappy. The Edge 70 packs a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, along with an ultra-wide lens for those scenic shots. Daylight photos come out crisp, colors are natural, and low-light performance looks solid for the price. You're not getting pixel-level computational magic, but for most users, it's definitely good enough for Instagram and travel shots. Here's where things get interesting. Despite that razor-thin body, Motorola squeezed in a 4800 milliamp battery with 68-watt fast charging. That's a full charge in under 40 minutes. And with Android 14's battery optimization, you can expect a full day of mixed use without breaking a sweat. So, should you buy the Motorola Edge 70? If you want a stylish, ultra-thin phone that doesn't compromise on performance or battery, this might be one of the best mid-premium phones of 2025. Sure, it's not a camera powerhouse, but for under $700, it's a seriously sleek deal. What do you guys think? Does Motorola finally have a hit here? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay techy. Peace.